The flea sneeze is a funny story for today, and I think we need a funny story. I like funny stories, you know that. The fleas sneeze. Uh-oh, look at that dog. It has a flea. I hope my dog doesn't get a flea. I don't want fleas. The flea sneeze. On a dark, dark night, on a cold old farm, in a rickety-crickety, tumble-down barn, everyone slept peacefully. Well, that barn isn't quite as tumble down as my barn. Remember that picture? A rat, a cat, a black-eyed bat. Whoops. A cow, an owl, a feathered fowl, a dog, a hog, and an old barn frog. Everyone slept peacefully, but not the flea. If you look, oh, I don't think I can see the flea yet. He must be on that dog somewhere, but I don't see him. No one heard him cough. Oh, no wonder. He was on the mouse, on the animal. Ha, ha. Oh, the poor little flea is coughing. Not even the mouse he used for a house, or the rat, or the cat, or the black-eyed bat, or the cow, or the owl, or the feathered fowl, or the dog, or the hog, or the old barn frog. They all slept peacefully, but not the flea. We can't even see the flea. He's on that little tiny mouse right there. Oh, what is that flea doing? No one heard him. Sniffle, sniffle. Poor little mouse is sick and poor little flea is sick and no one even cares. Not even the mouse he used for a house, or the rat, or the cat, or the black-eyed bat, or the cow, or the owl, or the feathered fowl, or the dog, or the hog, or the old barn frog. They all slept peacefully, but not the flea. That's a lot of rhyming words. It's kind of like a tongue twister. No one heard his garbled plea. So listen to what he says. He says it kind of garbled. That means a little bit mixed up. Does everybody have a tissue for me? He needs a tissue, but he has a stuffy little nose. Maybe he has allergies. Allergies are really bad right now. Not even the mouse he used for a house, or the rat, or the cat, or the black-eyed bat, or the cow, or the owl, or the feathered fowl, or the dog, or the hog, or the old barn frog. They all slept peacefully, but not the flea. There they are. They're all sleeping, but not the flea. Poor little guy. Then suddenly, before he could cover his snout, achoo! Oh man, he was on the little mouse and he sneezed achoo. Do you think anyone heard him? It scared the rat, who cried boo-hoo, and woke the cat, who hissed moo. Boo-hoo, says the mouse. Moo, cried the cat. It baffled the bat, whose eyes turned blue. It confused the cow, who muttered moo, moo. Everyone's wondering, what's going on? Where did that noise come from? Hoo, hoo! It outraged the owl, who hollered hoo, hoo! It flustered the fowl, who crowed cock-a-doodle-doo! It daunted the dog, who barked woo, woo! And sprayed the hog, who screamed ew! It reminded the frog of his old nephew. There's the dog who sprayed the other guy. There's the dog who sprayed the pig, or the hog who cried, ooh. Here's the rooster say, cock-a-doodle-doo. But the mouse the flea used for a house kindly gave him a tissue. That was nice of him. The flea wiped his nose, and before his eyes had even closed, he began to doze. And he's back to sleep. Do you think everyone else goes to sleep? For all the rest of that dark, dark night on the old, old farm, in the rickety-crickety tumble-down barn, everyone slept peacefully. The flea and the mouse he used for a house, the rat, the cat, the black-eyed bat, the cow, the owl, the feathered fowl, even the dog and the old barn frog. Everyone slept just like a log, except the hog. What's the hog doing? No one heard his garbled wheeze. I think I've got to sneeze. So everyone went back to sleep except for the poor hog who thinks he's gonna sneeze. All right, boys and girls, allergies have been bad, and Mrs. Ernest has those allergies. So I thought that would be a funny story to read. Have a great day. Get lots of your work done, and I'll talk to you later.